In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your Facebook user ID. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to Facebook app, then go to menu and then tap at the top right corner at that gear to go to settings and privacy. After that, just scroll down until under your information you will find apps and websites. You can just tap on it, and that will show you the list of apps and websites you have connected to your Facebook account by either logging into them with Facebook or by connecting an account you have with them to your Facebook. And then if you want to get your user ID for a particular app or website, just tap at that app, then scroll down to the very bottom, and that's where you can find your user ID. You can tap at that icon to copy it to the clipboard, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.